and today I wanted to do a quick power hour. It's been a hot minute since I've done one of these. I think since like the very first cleaning video I ever made was a power hour, and I think that's the last one I did. So I thought this was a good time to do one again, especially since I went grocery shopping today and it's been raining for a million days straight, so all the floors are dirty, everything is dirty, and it needs a good tidy up. So I'm just gonna take a quick hour to get this done because I have other stuff I really want to do other than clean right now. So, but I'm gonna force myself to spend this hour and get this house all nice and clean. So right now it's currently 2:42 p.m. so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, spend my hour, listen to some music, and get everything clean. So let's go ahead and get started.
You keep me on my feet, I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat, please don't let it fade, just say you want. I follow every sound, just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight, you're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright, you're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You've got what I want, take it on. I'll be waiting for you to sweep me off my feet to a different beat. Oh, just say you want. I follow every sound, just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight, you're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright, you're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. Don't let it fade away. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the I met you in the It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you. And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
Okay guys, so it's 3:54. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 3:54, so I went about 10 minutes over. Not too bad, but everything is now clean. It doesn't look as dirty as it was, I swear. The floors and the counters and things were really dirty, so keep that in mind when you're watching this. But that's it for this video, guys. If you like Power Hour Clean with Me, make sure and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are in need of some more cleaning motivation, I will link a playlist on my Inslay as well as in the description box down below of my cleaning playlist, where you can go check my playlist out and get tons and tons of cleaning motivation to get you guys through for the weekend. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I would absolutely love to have you here. And if you are already subscribed, please turn on your notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. That's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye!